Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Vostro 3510. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, chances are your Lenovo Vostro 3510 screen is cracked. This can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and potentially harming internal components. Let's get started on the repair. For this task, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the edge of the screen. Take your plastic opening tool and carefully slide it between the screen and the frame to loosen the adhesive. Be cautious not to apply too much force as you could damage the internal components. Once the screen is loose, carefully disconnect the cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. You can locate this cable by tracing it from the screen to the motherboard. After disconnecting the cable, remove the faulty LCD cover. Now, take the new LCD cover and align it with the hinges and connectors. Press it firmly into place to ensure a secure fit. When reassembling, make sure to reconnect the cable, ensuring it clicks into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, gently press the screen back into the frame, ensuring all edges are secure and the adhesive bonds properly. Finally, power on the device to check if the screen functions correctly and displays as expected. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case and a screen protector. Avoid placing heavy objects on your laptop and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.